A template is very helpful when you need to create a piece of animation or create some artwork like a walk cycle or anything like that, and save it so that other people can access it, or you can drag it into another animation. As you see here, when I press return, I have this very basic animation of a wolf howling at a rising moon. The wolf was created separately in another complete Toom Boom file. And what I did was create a template out of him and brought him right into this file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that scene so I can show you. When I go to wolf here, when I go to file open, I'm going to open up the document that contains just the wolf. And I wait for a second or two. And this is the wolf animation that you just saw. I'll go ahead and hit return. And once again, I created this guy separately. Now, the reason you might want to do something like this is because maybe this wolf is my company mascot, and I want to put him howling in different environments. One day he might be howling on the moon instead of at the moon, or on the beach, or on a mountaintop, and that kind of thing. So what I can do is create him separately, create a template out of him by dragging him to the library, and then I could place him wherever I need him. So having said that, what I could do now is go to my window menu, choose library, and I can choose to put him in the local library, which of course would only make him accessible through this particular scene or file, or I could put him in the global as I've already done. And what you do is you simply select the elements of your file, and you can just drag them right on in to your global library or your local library. I'm going to go ahead and put him in the local real fast to show you because I don't have anything in there. And here is the animation. I double click on it. I can see a preview when I drag this down. And all I have to do to rename it is double click on the name of the file, and I can call it Wolf or whatever I want to. Wolfie. And once you do this, then you open up your new project or your new file, and then you can just drag him right from here into the timeline, and then you'll have that animation available to you in whatever project you want to. Now, if you put it in the global folder, everybody can access it who is going to be using this particular project with you. So you can use this as a template that other people can alter, or they can use as a guideline, or as artwork they can use readily in the current scene they're working on. So templates are very, very handy. They can save you a lot of time in the long run, especially if you're going to do things like logos or show opens or anything that repeat when you do productions in Toom Boom Studio.